You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing plant names, food names, names that people pronounce differently. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Two different ways of pronouncing it here. Either as Areca Palm, stress on the first syllable, Areca. That would be more the British English pronunciation, while in American English in the US it is generally said as Areca Palm, or Areca Palm. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.